Hard website tutorial for beginners. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can build your own website using Carrd. So let's get started. It is a very simple and free, fully responsive one-page site for you can create a page easily. So here, this is the carrd.co address of it, the Carrd's website. Now here you can see you can choose a start point. Also you can log in, and here you can see that what is Carrd. So basically Carrd is that one page site builder for pretty much anything. Here you can see whether it is personal profile, a landing page, and etc. You can just scroll down and check all of these things out. You can build up to 3 sites per account, and you can use all of Carrd's core feature for free. Now let's tap on to login, and let me show you how we can use Carrd. At the email section, you have to enter your email, you have to enter your password, and then you can tap on to login and you can easily get started. And if you don't have an account, you just have to tap on to sign up, and then you have to enter your name. For example, I'm gonna tap on check take. I'm gonna enter my Gmail address, I'm gonna use my password, and etc. For example this one. Then you have to check these icons, then simply tap on to sign up. Now verify this captcha here. Let me verify it really quick, then tap on to verify. So there we go. Now we are being logged into carrd.co, and let's build a website together. Follow these steps to create a website. Okay, let's verify our account fully. So now let's go to our Gmail, and instruction, or you can say code, has been sent to our email. Then let's tap on to verify my account, and there we go. Make sure to verify your account too, because if you don't do it, then after creating a website, while you are gonna publish it, it will create some issues. So simply tap on the plus new icon, like new site, at the top right corner. Here you can see this, and also you can check out the pro versions from here. I will show it to you later, or you can just check it out on yourself by yourself. So here you can see these are some previously made websites. Here you can just scroll down and find your preferred website if you wish to. Also you can just tap on to create a blank page, and from there, let me show you. Here you can just select it and start customizing your very personal website. But for now I'm going to just go back and choose a template. Right from here you can check out this profile. For profile, this is for landing pages. Here you can see this landing pages, forms, and also for portfolio pages, section pages, and many more. You can check out my templates. Right now, as you can see, I just open this account, like logging into this account using new email, so it is not showing up to that any template I used previously. So I'm gonna choose let's choose this one. So let's tap onto it, select it, and you can just tap onto maybe later. Let's choose this one. Okay, don't choose the premium ones, because if you choose them you have to buy it, and then you can choose it. Let's choose it. This one is free. Now you can edit it according to your need. You just have to simply tap onto the text that you want to edit, and you can just cut them and add your random text and tap done. Right from here you can also check this out. You can check these things out. This is the text color, you can check out it, and you can, let's make it this color. I think this would be perfect. Let's change the color more. Okay, that's it. Now let's make size bigger. Let's make the letter spacing lesser, and that's it. This is how you can customize your text. And you can also use gradient text. Just choose the text that you want to edit. For example, from here just choose the text that you want to edit, and you can just choose the gradient color or change the color of it. So as you can see, you can also add background images if you wish to, and also add let's say animations to your text. For example, here you can see this replay. You can longer the duration or lesser the duration. You can check out this delay, you can check out replay, you can check out threshold, and all other things. You can tap on replayable and done, and many more. Here you can check them out. You can edit every single thing you wish to edit, and let's tap onto this side. Let's go to appearance and let's find out this mobile manual. You can check out this mobile section and make it larger or lesser according to your need. You can tap onto mobile preview and then customize it, and you'll understand what it is. Then you can also add images on it if you wish to. You can add classes if you want. You just have to choose the text. Let's say I want to add an image, so let me choose an image from here. Let's drag it over and turn it here. Okay, to add an image you have to tap onto this plus icon, and from there you have to tap onto image, and you can tap onto upload, and from there you can upload your images very easily. For example, I'm gonna upload this image and then open it up. So there we go, the image is now been added to my portfolio, or you can say landing page. So this is what it looks like, and by tapping onto this plus icon you can add more text according to your wish. You can choose the text styles right from here. You can do pretty much everything. Hi there, and you can tap onto done. Wait, let me find the text option. Okay, just let me add a text box again. Okay, let me just edit it. Let me take it up and up. I'm going to keep this text beside this here. Okay, let's keep it here, and then let's change the text color to white. So there we go. So this is how you can edit many more things. You can check out this listing options, button options. Also you can add some containers type if you wish to. You can add some columns, and then you can add those column text from here. You can add this, and you can choose many more things. You can play it, you can add animations, fade in, fade out, etc. I just showed you, but I am not going to add it right here. So that's it. Now let's say after editing everything and uploading all the images, you want to edit it, like if you want to add icons, videos, audios, you can just simply tap onto them and you can upload them very easily. Okay, so that was pretty much it. You can check out the mobile version, like mobile preview. Then let's go back to our PC preview, and you can just save it up right from here, and you can add a title, description according to your wish. And lastly you have to choose this icon and then tap save, and there we go, our website is being published. So there we go, our website has been published successfully. You can also tap onto the save site and copy this site. Let's copy the link right from here, paste it over here, and let's check it out. So this is what our website will look like. You can add hashtags, home, hashtag work, etc. You can add more hashtags if you want. So that's it. And if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye. And if you want to connect it to a domain, you must need to buy a Card Pro version. Goodbye.